video.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Totally Steph here, and I know I've been gone for a while now. It's been a couple of months since I've posted on YouTube, but here's a series of vlogs I've been holding on to, a collection. May have you enjoy, please. Hey y'all, I know it's been a long time since I vlogged, but I'm going to work out with Christina or whatever. I did not change my camera battery, so I don't know how much longer I'm gonna be recording because I don't got that much battery left. I forgot to change it. My bun look a mess. I still got deep conditioner in my hair. But yeah, we at the wellness center, so let me go inside or whatever. My legs still hurt from the other day. I did them lower body workout, but you know, whatever it takes to get cheeks at this point, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully y'all can hear me. Y'all probably can't even hear me. But yeah. Hey y'all, this is Christina. I guess you could call my trainer. And what we doing today?
Weight.
We're doing heavy weights today.
Heavyweight.
Heavy weights. So I'm gonna try to angle the camera as best as possible. It is really busy in here. All of a sudden it's busy in here for some strange reason. All of a sudden.
Of course.
So of course she always demonstrates first and I go do it. So
you're gonna do this one first. Big band.
Big band.
Big thick band. Lord. Come underneath it.
Okay.
You're gonna stand up straight. I'm gonna give you the dumbbells.
Oh, the dumbbells.
Yeah, you're gonna squat.
Okay.
Lunge, like this. On both legs.
On both legs, how many times?
On both legs, 12.
Okay.
You got that, friend.
Yeah, I got that. Okay, let me see where I could put the camera. I look so retarded.
If you get it, you get it. If you don't, you don't. If you don't, you don't. Great. I'm gonna do these box jumps. Girl, I'm running out of breath.
One leg at a time.
One leg at a time.
Squatting?
Yep, you're doing like a lunge down. I think might be stronger than you. Don't let it let you lean like this. Whoa. You got it, friend.
Y'all remember Caitlin? It's my cousin, and we're gonna review apartments first. It's exciting. It's fun. All right, so I'm about to see they're in the office, but they might not because they didn't answer the phone. So far, the outside it looks cute, so that's great. He said next to the washer and dryer. That's a dryer going on. He could give you better instructions.
That's what he did. That's what he did right next to it.
This the dryer wash chair right here. Girl, me and Caitlin came to this place. This is the office right here, y'all. This is empty. That strange man who was helping us. This is the office. On the other side of the wash machine and dryer. I didn't show y'all that, but we about to dip. Yeah, we made it to the next place. I'm not gonna tell y'all the names of them because they said let it be a surprise or whatever. So let's hope it's not a retirement home. They got some old people out here, so we don't know something that like very kinda, I don't know, a little sketchy. I'm put my shirt down. With my legs hurt.
What you been doing tonight?
I'm gonna work out yesterday. Don't play with me.
Oh,
period.
wow.
Cool.
Wow.
I hope this is the office bitch. So we walking like we know where we going. You might be houses, kid. Hold on a second. But what's that over there? Could that be it over there? I don't know. Wanna ask this old man? Hello, sir. Do you know what the office is? The apartment?
Actually, it used to be there until it's new owners now.
Okay.
I work for them, so.
Okay.
But the office is going to be right there, but there's nobody here that you can really talk to right now.
Okay. What's the best time to come by?
Probably about 9 o'clock in the morning is when Daryl shows up. He's the maintenance man.
Okay.
But he can help you with stuff. He's around the corner there, but they're leaving.
Okay.
Yeah, but he'll be back at 9 o'clock in the morning because they're replacing the heater in my room, and I ain't got no heat.
Well, that sucks. Yeah, we just wondered if it had any apartments available.
I don't know. I think they might. Maybe one or two, but yeah, come back at 9 or something.
Oh,
I'll tell
okay.
Daryl I'll be waiting for you.
Okay,
All
thank
right.
you.
Well, that was another fail. Y'all, we have to come during the weekend or something. Well, Caitlin worked from crack ass of dawn till 2 p.m. So she'll never catch nobody. He said 9 o'clock in the morning, so I'll have to come with you.
Thank you.
This one go over there. Hopefully, you want to walk across the street? That's it.
But sure, how we know if he's right down there?
You gotta be that small building right there, you don't think? You're right, we don't know.
You talking about walking? Girl, look. We'll drive. You know what? I'm gonna call. Call.
And if not,
We're gonna go over there.
we're gonna go to the other one.
All right. Follow you.
When the maintenance man is here, how the maintenance man can help us find an apartment, but whatever, doesn't matter. I like my hair. I did it on the type of a kind of do with my hair, y'all. I have no ideas. I feel like it's time for me to cut my hair. This is the third location. This one bougie. Look at that pool. You can just see it. Yes, you can. You will be able to afford it in the future, just not right now. Oh my God, that pool look nice. All right, I'm gonna put the camera down.
All right, just bring them.
Hello.
Okay.
The apartment complexes.
One bedroom? A one bedroom? I don't have a one bedroom available. We have one becoming available, but it's not vacant yet. We can show you our model.
Okay.
And then like close the door. Do you have about 15 minutes?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
You should say 2-bedroom too.
Y'all gonna have something to drink?
You want to see a big 2-bedroom too?
Because
Can I see a 2-bedroom as well?
if I have it
we'll show you the
available.
two-bedroom model. The layout's the same, and then like we just, if you close the door, it's the same layout. The second bedroom, yes.
Oh.
Okay. How do you feel about that?
Broke.
Oh my goodness, she's being closed-minded. And to be important, be positive. But yep, I'm gonna let you know when we get to the modeling part, I guess. All right, y'all. So we decided to not look at the model. I was just gonna show us some pictures probably. We looked it up online, and the starting 1-bedroom, 1-bath is like $1,100 a month. So we gonna pass.
Broke.
On to the next one. No, we'll look at that one too.
Like down this way?
I think so.
I thought that was nursing home.
Is it?
You about the one that's on the corner by the light?
No, it's a big building.
And like it's going long ways like this?
No,
Then I'm lost.
me too. I might be lying. What you want to do, Kay?
What you want to do?
I'm not the one that's moving. You are. You are the one that's moving.
No.
That's one thing I'll tell you about adulting is that everything's literally out of your price range. So we're on to the next apartment complex. And we gonna see what they about. I didn't get to tour this one because I want to see what it look like. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all and get back on the second drive over there. I don't want to get copyrighted for this song. But yeah, I lost count, y'all, how many apartment complexes we have now. Hopefully we can just go ahead and look at one because I'm sick. This number 4. She said number 4. We can go with number 4. Look, she dropped off her rent, so they better be open. Yeah, it's open.
Oh, no. Oh,
Nope.
Okay. Be like,
Application fee is $50 per applicant over the age of 18. Our admin fee is $50, and the deposit for the 1-bedroom is $150. Right now, we don't have any specials for one. That doesn't mean we won't have them by the time something comes available and you're looking to move in. Utilities are separate from the rent.
Okay.
It's
That's all about that.
Water, garbage,
Write that
sewage,
down.
and pest control is going to be billed separately from our corporate office, and it goes off of usage for the water and sewage. Electricity through energy, and you get that set up on your own, and then cable internet would be through one link.
Okay. Everybody, you don't got a minute today. You don't got a pen?
no, I ain't got no pen.
Can she use your pen? Because she's going to forget everything you said.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's okay. Said all you do water, energy, everything separate. What's a good, like, we're just looking around right now, but what's usually the time people, like, you know, move out and there's available apartments
A
in
lot
this?
in June. We do
Okay,
have a
in
lot
summer.
that's right end of June. It just all depends if they're going to put in the notice or if they
Okay.
can stay there. So we will notices.
We figure, like, I mean, Nichols is right there, so we figure, like, mostly, you know, college students maybe. So, I figure.
And even too, I mean, if you want roommate wise, you know, for the 2 bedrooms, that would be something you're interested in. And we do have 2 bedrooms available. The smaller one rents for $1,500. The larger one is $1,015. So if you know, find somebody that can split, it can be much cheaper than using 1 bedroom.
Okay.
We were so
Go ahead
kind.
and use that on the list for the week. For the one.
Yeah, that's fine.
What's your name?
Kaylin, Kaylan. Harding,
K-A-Y-L-A-N.
A-N.
Okay, sorry. And then what's your last name?
Harding, H-A.
And whenever you get to the name list, we'll give you a call.
All right, thank you.
I mean, if it's listed, it would be, you know, like they say.
Yeah, have a good day.
Thank you so much. So, you know, next time, June. June is like the normal time, y'all. Y'all heard the gist of her speaking from the floor plan. That's, it means it's not a bad price. $726. She did say the 2-bedroom is cheaper than living by yourself, which is surprising. Kind of.
But sure, utilities is all separate.
Separate. Oof, that's the only kicker, huh?
What? I need something that's at least put the water and electricity together.
Because you gotta add that on top of your rent. So I get what you
Right.
mean. So you're thinking like 6 is your even medium. Because then you could add 100, maybe 150 to your rent, and that's like 700.
Yeah.
So I get what you're coming from on that standpoint.
Shoot.
Did you want to go back down that direction, look at those apartments, or no? And we can just go look at the ones that by
No, we go out there.
Bryson. Yeah,
Look, Snicker was good.
I bet. You want to go walk around real quick? She said we could look around the.
Girl, I got pictures for a reason. Come on.
They had pictures of this place. It's right here, okay? Oh, you seen all of them?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I need footage. So let's go look and walk around. It's gonna be a short little clip. We're gonna look at the she call it the campus. Look at the surrounding.
For them dogs, man, I don't want to have no damn animals.
And she refused to. I hope you don't have no neighbors with pets then, cause you tripping.
Huh.
She like
Baby.
animals, but she don't want to hit animals.
I don't want.
We at the
You're the
5th
only one
location,
bougie
and
around
Kay asked about to walk in that long.
But the 2-bedroom was not bad at all. I'd rather the 2-bedroom. The 1-bedroom probably
A little too small.
Yeah. But they said at first they were paying $600.
Hopefully,
And then
hopefully
it
somebody
went
does.
Girl,
Cause now they look closed.
you might hear the glass. I forgot my manager. Dude, come on.
Oh my goodness! You gonna need, if we get the tour, you're gonna need your mask.
I don't need no time. I know how they look at this stuff. I need to know someone available.
You think if I need content, girl.
I didn't even know someone available.
Just sickening. She missing the whole point of me vlogging.
Look, when you walk in, the living room right here, kitchen right here.
Well, y'all, that was a bust. We don't even know where the office is. We just knocked on somebody's random door. Hopefully that was the office, but doubt it. Right? They sure didn't answer the phone. Whatever. I mean, it sounds quiet, so.
Yeah, I didn't hear no noise or nothing.
Hey y'all, I'm back home. The last place we didn't get to talk to anybody because nobody was answering the door. We couldn't find the office, as you've seen. I'm back home, about to go work out. That's why I came home to change. I forgot all my clothes at home, so that's that. I just want to close out that segment because I'm gonna stop not closing the certain clips out. So this is it for today. I'm about to go work out, and that's it. See y'all in the next one. Bye.